Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Lonette and this is the beautiful Darroch by Cala Homes. This one is in Hamilton, 5-bedroom home. I just can't wait to show you inside. The Dorrach has this double door entryway, giving us a little foyer and also a storm door, which is absolutely brilliant. But before heading into the main house there, we do have a downstairs WC, which is perfectly positioned before the second door. Great downstairs WC with a flush away system put away there so it's not in your eye. We do expect high specs. This is Cala Homes. Great sink with a single lever, a window, great tiling and wallpaper. Just a all-rounder of a WC there. But we are going to head into the main course of the house, which is the main house, through the second door there, which you can keep shut. Again, great idea with the storm doors there from Cala Homes. We do live in Scotland and not the best weather all the time. The hallway, the main hallway after the second door, is grand. That staircase gives you a spacious feeling, and there is a door straight ahead into the kitchen, but we're going to head into the lounge space. You can make this your formal lounge or your family lounge, whatever your heart desires there. And I do love this. It's good size space, but it is a 5-bedroom home, so it is to be expected for a good size lounge space there. Now, what I see in this home that is continuous is this avocado green and these lovely greenish glass vases that are almost paper thin, taking us back to that 60s decor. You'll see that style of decor all around this house. Can tell with the furniture, the green chairs there with the clean lines, just taking us back in time there. I like what they went for with this home. It does make it so much more grounded. We have those angle lamps. If you know the decor that we're going for in here, can you tell me if you feel it too? I have went back to the 60s. Look at that angle lamp and the shapes of the sideboards there. Anyway, I do like the decor. Of course, if this is your home and you're going to buy it, you can definitely go with whatever decor you have. One thing that remained the same was that beautiful fireplace with a stone backsplash there. Very modern, clean lines. Still goes pretty well with the theme of decor in here. I love the wallpaper. The wallpaper is very timeless. It could step into any century and work. It's very neutral, nice little texture, not very in your face, very calming colors in there. And then we do have this little entryway side table, if you like, and it's got little trinkets that continue the theme. And then in here we do have a storage cubby that is great to throw your shoes in there and hang your jackets. And then we're gonna go to the heart of the home, of course, where most families spend their time if they have an open plan kitchen diner like this one, especially with a lounge space. This is a 6-seater dining table, perfectly in tune with the design of the home. And then we do have that eye-catching bold statement wallpaper there that continues the flow of the theme of the house. Now, I love an island. I love an island with seating. I think that is such a great touch to this home. And the cabinets in here do continue the 60s vibes. I do know why the decorator went with the 60s vibe. Those cabinets take you back in time, and the handles and just everything in here was very well thought out. There is so much cabinet space, including in the island. I don't think you will ever be short of space in this home. I love the island countertop. It looks like something granite and white easy to clean, easy to maintain. The hob has an extractor fan fitted between it, so you don't need an extra extractor fan above the home because you do have it in that beautiful electric hob that is seamless and very well fitted. Moving on into the integrated appliances, we have a fridge there, a microwave, and oven, the perfect fitted integrated appliances, the stuff we're used to. The thing about Cala Homes, you see these bifold doors that just a wonderful touch. They really add the inside and the outside to. They really add the outside inside once you open them up during summer, which is great for entertaining, especially with big families and you have kids. I love an inside out feeling. And then here we do have this lounge space. I don't know if you expected this, but initially when I walked into this house, I did not expect an extra lounge space, which is perfect for this home. Great for football nights, great for just making the family unit work together really well here. I love that there's another window, a 3-pane glass window, adding in a lot of natural light. So although the kitchen is long, it's not dark at all. We also have a utility room, and that utility room attaches to the garage. And this utility room has its own sink. You have space for the washer and the dryer. Wonderful that the utility room also connects to the garden. For days like this, you can definitely hang your clothes outside. You can aerate the utility room. It's got an extra cubby if you want to put your clothes in there. So this would normally be the garage, but it's currently staged as an office space at the moment just because of the function of this house right now. Again, with garages, a lot of people do convert them into their favorite thing. I know my husband would love to convert a garage into a gym. I have grown warmer to that idea because I'm trying to work on my fitness, girl. This is a great view of that main door and the storm door, just how it looks as well when you come in. Great space. I would definitely put a lock on my second door as well. Now we're going to head up to the private quarters. Look at that beautiful carpet space. I don't know if you saw that, but my daughters were with me on this day. So if you see little people bouncing around, that's what that might be. So up here, we do have 5 bedrooms. I'm going to start with the smallest bedroom, which is this bedroom here, currently staged as the cutest little yoga room. I don't know where they got these curtains, but they give me all the right vibes. So this is currently a little exercise room, a little workout, relaxing Zen space. With 2 little mirrors, big window. This could definitely be a bedroom or an office. If you like, if you have a big family, a single bed could fit in here just to do the job. But yeah, I love the decor. I love this little corner. This is definitely my vibe. Very chill, very, very chill, very nice. I like that. And we're gonna head back into the hallway and see the family bathroom. Now, the family bathroom here also took me aback a little. I thought, yeah, lovely, nice bathtub, nice deep bathtub, great tiling. We do have that handheld shower. I thought, yeah, that's great. But then there was a little surprise in here, I do believe. There is a separate shower. I know you don't expect it when you walk in initially, but this shower is huge. So it's great for multi-functions. So if a few kids are in the bath, you can pop another kid in the shower just to hurry the process up. Great. Or if you have guests that prefer showers over baths, then you have that option. Again, big shower. Did not expect that when I initially opened that door. Great space, and I do love the hallway in here. This home is just so chill. It's so chill. I don't know how the 60s vibe did that, but it added so many chill element to every single corner. I think olive green naturally does that. It's a calming color. So when they just use a touch of it everywhere, kind of did that for me. And then we're gonna head into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is a good size bedroom. It's managed to fit a double bed, quite a big TV there, and little bean bag. Yeah, so this is a great little functional space as well. We do have windows opening to the back of the house this time as opposed to the front. Fitted wardrobes, which makes this space even more functional, and a little homework desk. So if your kid is not on the TV all the time, they may be actually doing some homework in here. Love the way these are so smooth and open up quite easily. Easy access there. And this little space was utilized very well. It's a little space, but it is utilized very, very well, using it for a homework desk there. Then we are gonna head on over and back into the hallway. Lovely art pieces, still touches of that olive green. And we're gonna head into this bedroom here, bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 also fits a double bed very comfortably. Love to see it. We've got fitted wardrobes. I love a fitted wardrobe. If you're new to the channel, you know that a fitted wardrobe makes me happy because it makes a space even more functional. And you know exactly where you can put your things. Because if a space is a little bit tight and you don't have a fitted wardrobe, then you're kind of in a squeeze. Again, windows that open up French style to the back of the garden. They're giving you that view of your glorious garden. Lovely functional space. Over onto bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 is a little bit bigger, I must say. It's more spacious in here, more room to maneuver, to walk around, floor to ceiling tiles, great windows that open French style to the back. Really good sized bed there. I believe it may be a queen. It is quite a good size, or a double. And we do have some floating lamps there that I've added a really good touch in this bedroom. This bedroom here actually has an ensuite. So that means we do have 2 rooms with an ensuite because this is not quite the principal bedroom yet. The fitted wardrobes are still the great standard fitted wardrobes, but I would love to walk into this great ensuite. So the ensuite does maintain the high specs of Cala Homes with the push button flushing system, great sink there, and floor to ceiling tiled shower, as we would expect in this home. This home is greatly done. I will give color where credit is due. The door handles, everything feels pretty sturdy for new builds. They do build new, stronger houses, if that makes sense. And then moving on back to the hallway, we do have a more functional room here. This is a little room with functional bits, but it does have space enough around it to hide your Hoover in there and make it even more functional. Now, for the principal bedroom has its little walkway. It has its little entryway, giving you that experience of luxury when heading over to your principal bedroom. We do have a little side table there, and this one here is got little trinkets of luxury again to give you an experience before entering your principal bedroom. Now the principal bedroom is well designed. They've got this gorgeous bed that screams out comfort. This principal bedroom windows face to the front of the house so that you can make sure that no strangers park in front of your house. You're the keeper. So yeah, you have to face the front of the house. And then we do have great wardrobe space here. I'm sure you will be able to manage with this amount of space. This is a very uniquely done. I love that they've put an ottoman type of little stool there so you can sit and essentially have an open dressing area for yourself and your partner or just yourself. It's a great bedroom. They've got armchairs there, still giving us that 60s vibe with the little shape of the chair. And again, we have them floating side lamps that are easier to just turn off the light. As you can see, the light switch is right by your bedside. So there is no fighting on who is going to turn off the lights in this home. And then we're going to head over to the principal bedroom ensuite. The principal bedroom ensuite has a his and her sink, which is absolutely stunning. The high specs remain the same. What I'm going to do is let you enjoy this beautiful ensuite. I love the fact that there's the rain shower and a handheld shower. Beautiful, great space. Okay, guys, so that is the whole home tour. I really do hope that you enjoy my videos. And if you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do try my best to get you the best quality and just show you around. If you want to encourage me, I do appreciate if you share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Au revoir. Bye.